deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate gate challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Hello friends, welcome to Unacademy, which is the largest online education platform for GATE, Computer Science and IT. In this video, I'll be discussing the remaining questions of GATE 2016 year, and also we will look into GATE 2015 year. And before starting this session, let me introduce myself. Myself, Malisham Devasane, and I'm working as an educator on Unacademy. I teach in GATE and ESE segment for computer science and IT aspirants. Okay, I am expertised in C programming, TOC, compiler design, discrete maths and algorithms. And if you look at my past, I have completed MTech from IIT Bombay. Then I started guiding the students who want to prepare for a GATE exam. Almost I have 12 years of teaching experience, where I have guided more than 1 lakh students in India. In case if you are looking for the free classes, this is the profile link, unacademy.com/devagate CSE, where you have hundreds of classes are accessible freely, like quizzes, all-in-one sessions, and TOCC, CD discrete, algorithms, free sessions, and daily practice problems and PYQ series for many subjects I have already conducted. You can watch them freely. In case if you need my referral code, this is DEVALIVE referral code, which will help you to get 10% discount. Also, you can access free classes. If you want to learn some free content from me, it is recommended to use DEVALIVE referral code. And if you are using mobile, you wanted to install the app. This is Unacademy Learning app. You can go to Play Store and click on install, and you can start using this app. And what is the advantage of coming to Unacademy? You will learn the right things from India's top educators, where right now you can see a very popular faces on Unacademy computer science area, and many more already there. And along with them, you can also access the classes from everybody. And these are the two subscription plans. If you want to go for Plus or Iconic, then these are the features. We have live classes and crash courses and rank improvement batches and many more guys. And you have weekly tests, doubt solving sessions and so many. Iconic, additional to the Plus, you will have a coach and separate study material, and you have many benefits, guys. You have many benefits. Give me a second, I'll be back. Yeah, so you can opt either Plus or Iconic as per your requirement. Is that Sudarshan? Can you start again TOC in YouTube? Yes, soon I'll be starting that. You can wait for that. Yeah, strategy session for 2022 GATE. Yes, obviously I will do it soon. No doubt about it. Just wait for the coming Saturday, Sunday, I'll be taking that. Yeah. If you are not aware of how to access the Unacademy classes, just visit unacademy.com, log in using DEVALIVE referral code, and choose GATE and ESE, and you can search for any class that you opt for, that you are looking for. And in case you need a subscription, click on that. What is the benefit of Plus and Iconic? I told you, the best educators and interactive live classes, structured courses, live test quizzes, and I forgot to tell you, test series, free test series inside, guys, and you don't need to pay additionally for test series, and many more benefits of taking the subscription. So either choose Plus or Iconic. Iconic, you will have additional benefits along with Plus. And if you go for the Plus, you have many plans inside, like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Among them, 1 year, 1.5, 2 years will cost you less, price is less, and benefit is more. So that is how you can choose for 1.5, 2 years to get more benefited from Unacademy. and use DEVALIVE to see the total price. Yeah, good evening, Samir. In case if you are coming for iconic, the 1-2 years, you have 45,225 and 66,600. Yeah, these are the two subscriptions we have, Plus and Iconic. If anybody looking for new batches on Unacademy, the GATE ECE already started, and many more batches are going to come. And soon we will be starting even CS and IT, and from today the GATE, ME and Civil also going to start. So please refer your friends if anybody want to take the subscription on Unacademy. Fine. In case if you want to join my free classes on Unacademy too, you can join me today at 6 p.m. I'm going to help you how to understand different things like what is independent set, covering, matching, what is relation. So I'm going to explain today, right, at 6:30 p.m. guys. I've changed the timing, 6:30 p.m. the new timings. Okay, after this class today. And morning already completed connectivity in the graph theory 8 a.m. and 3:15 p.m. We have discussed the test series. Free test series is going on Unacademy, and every test we have analysis on that test also. So today at 3:15 p.m. happened analysis on discrete mathematics. Yesterday there was a test on discrete mathematics, guys. So you can also enroll to the free test series and you can start practicing our free test series on Unacademy. Yeah, let's move on to the 2016. Then we will see 2015 too, once we complete 2016. And some of the questions already I discussed in the previous session, and this was over already. I'm just keeping the tick which were completed in the previous session. You can look at in the playlist. You can find out that video, and this all are completed. Yeah, here onwards we need to begin. Let's begin. And I have explained many classes how to construct the PDA, and now you do not know how did they construct. You have to read the question to understand how did they construct that, guys, because everybody uses his own knowledge to build a PDA. So here I can use a stack many ways. Now read the question properly. If you are only looking at PDA, maybe probably you will never understand the problem. Remember that point. Some people, they don't get what is a machine also. First read. Given PDA, input is clear, A comma B, but stack has two symbols, X and Z. What is X? What is Z? Look at that. Z is initial stack symbol. Maybe you have assumed Z not many times, but here they have assumed Z. But don't assume Z is every time. Remember that. Right? Here Z is initial stack symbol. Follow this question specially. So Z like exactly Z naught. And X is another symbol on the stack. We might use some other purpose. Let's start. They have given a machine. Now what do they want? Let L be the language accepted by PDA. Which of the following is true? They are talking about what is L. What is L? Everybody? So now we have three states, A, B, C. And this is a final state mechanism because clearly final state is visible to you. And don't worry about empty stack. Here we are not doing that empty stack because of we are clearly seen, we are able to see that final states in the machine. Now you have to find what are the strings which all set capital A, which all set capital C. That will be your answer. Language is equal to A union C. But what are the strings which halt at A? That you have to find out. Find all the strings which halt at A. Can I say simply A star? Because you give epsilon, I can halt at A. You give A, I can push X onto the stack. This is going to push the first A. First A, when it reads, it will push X. And remaining all A's, it will push X. Everyone? Yeah. Now, what is B? What are the strings which halt at B? But you should use the stack carefully, guys. Don't worry about stack is empty or not. If I go to final answers over, capital A is actually you are pushing X onto the stack. But here stack is not empty, but still you are at final state. That's why A star is accepted. Capital B, look at that. Is it A power n, B power n such that n greater than or equal 1? Look at, if you give a double A as an input, first initially Z naught is there, means Z is there. Because Z is initial stack symbol. Initial stack symbol. When you read A, what do you push? X. Another A, you push X. Now, you are in final state, that's why double A accepted. But if a single B comes, it will pop 1x by taking this path. And you can't look at that now. Epsilon comma Z doesn't come or not. Now look at guys. Epsilon comma Z, will it come or not now? Come on. Will not come because X is on the top of the stack. You have epsilon any time, no doubt, but X is on the top of the stack. Epsilon comma X comes, that means epsilon comma X, no path. So that means the string is invalid. The double A B string is invalid. But when you get double A double B, first A you push X, second A push X, and this B pop X, this B pop X. Now epsilon means end of the input. This represent end of input. Not every epsilon, but this epsilon has to be end of the input. Then only you can see Z on the top of the stack. Z on the top of the stack. In case if you are going in the middle, then very difficult. You can't complete the string once you go to the C. And this is only happens for this one. Now the language is A union, sorry, not B guys. It's a C. Okay, I'm very sorry. It's a C. A union C is equal to A star union A power n, B power n, where n greater than or equal 1. But question is not having that. The question is having, and of course it's a power n guys, greater than or equal 0. It's okay. Epsilon I can cover in both. Epsilon is here, I can keep here also. To write as A even star union A power n, B power n, n greater than or equal 0. I can do that too. Okay. The D is right answer guys. Come on. It is a DCFL. The machine is already, it is a DPDA. This is the DPDA only guys. Okay, next. Yeah, for this you need to have a reducibility knowledge. X is recursive language. And Y is REL, but not recursive. And W and Z are two languages, but they have not confirmed it. Complement of Y, they have given something, is reducible to W, and Z reducible to complement of X. Now we need to conclude which of the following statement is true. Now let's try replace what is given. X is given. So I can say that Z complement of recursive is complement. You know that a complement of recursive is recursive. Complement of recursive is recursive. So I can say that Z reducible to recursive. Another one, REL but not recursive. उसका complement हमेशा not REL ही होता. Indirectly what they have given, not REL reducible to W and Z reducible to recursive. Z reducible to recursive. Recursive another name is decidable, you know that. So what happens, you can conclude from here guys. W has to be not REL and Z has to be recursive. Because any problem or any language reducible to recursive, then that has to be recursive. Everyone? Yeah, let's look at the options. Which of the following is true? Is it possible W is recursively enumerable? Impossible, because not REL reducible to any language. Then that language has to be not REL. So this statement we delete. But Z is recursive. ये तो सही है. This is correct, but this is wrong. And W can be recursive? Impossible. And Z is recursive enumerable? Yes, every recursive is what? Recursively enumerable, guys. If I am saying recursive, it means REL also. Correct? And W is not REL, वो तो सही है. And Z is recursive, ये भी सही है. So C we choose it. Another one. W not recursive enumerable, that is also right. Z is not recursive, this is wrong. That's why we don't choose D. Yeah. Is my chart working? All right. Now, which one of the following regular expressions represent the language? The set of all binary strings having 2 consecutive zeros and 2 consecutive ones. It's just same as containing 00 and containing 11, guys. Which one you will choose? Everybody looks same. Everybody, but this is containing 0011. Right? This and says that a different concept, guys. This is different. Contains or containing 0011 or 1100. But I didn't say that, right? It's a different one. And this one, look at, if you apply 0 plus 1 whole star, it exactly looks like what we needed. This capital X represent, assume 0 plus 1 whole star. 0 plus 1 whole star. Everyone? This is what we are looking for. This is exactly right answer. Here 00 is there and 11 is there. You can see that contain 00 and 11. Then no need to be one after that. No need to be immediately. Okay, this one, is it? This is different one. What is it? Containing 00 or 11. But we want and guys. Okay, next one. This is starts with 00 and 11, starts with 00 and ends with 11, like 00, 11, or starts with 11 and ends with 00. So start and end problem. Start and end problem. Everyone? Yeah. So the answer is B. Come on. Okay. Language L1 is defined by the grammar and L2 is defined by some grammar. Then find out what do they do. Just try, guys. Okay. What is L1? They are talking about the language. They are not talking about a grammar, guys. Grammar may be regular or non-regular, but language can be. This one is, A power n, B power n. This is not regular, no doubt. And this one, AB whole star. This is definitely regular. Language we are talking about. Right. So L1 is regular, false. Because L1 is not regular. L2 is regular, yes, true. So P is false, Q is true. Yes, C is correct, exactly. Come on, guys. So 2016 questions are completed and I have helped you to understand 2020 and 2019, 18, 17, 16, and we have not left any question so far. We did not left with any question so far. Now, try this question, then we will, of course, answer is visible, but I don't want to look at that. Sometimes I take wrong options, wrong answers, guys. You must believe your strategy. Now, context free. But while you practice, identify exactly is it regular or DCFL. But answer it CFL even it is regular. Yeah, first option. Look at the dependency. M, M and N. Now, it just looks like balanced parenthesis, right? A's you can push and B's you can push, and this S you can pop the B's, and this B's you can pop the A's, right? Yeah. It is even DCFL also, guys. Even it is DCFL. Remember that. It is DCFL too. Clear? So definitely it is CFL. Okay, next one. What does this means? M and N. Can you do that? A power M if you push. If you push A's and if you push B's, then how can you get that comparison? This A's you want to compare with this, but that are bottom of the stack, right? You can't do this because this kind of comparisons not possible with the stack. So this is not CFL. And the last one is very easy. There is A power to N plus 1, B power N, which is very easy, which is equal to A dot A power 2N, B power N. This is DCFL. So definitely CFL. So we choose L1, L3 or CFL. That is option B, yes. Option B. Consider the following statements. This is, out of our syllabus, but still we will try to understand, because could be possible in future they might ask the question. You do not know, right? So I'll make a relation to understand. We know regular languages, okay, regulars. Okay, let me write a relation, then I'll come back to the question. Let me help you something here, guys. We have regular languages, and even we have decidable languages. Forget about CFL, CSL, all of them are related somehow. And there is the P, and there is another problem here, NP class. Here NP problems are there. Okay, I'm going to put the names to understand, but don't worry much about it if you don't know about it. This we know, all regulars are here, and this is about all decidables, means all recursive languages. And this is all P problems, means P class it is, all P problems, yellow box, and blue box is all NP problems. Now, what is their question is, look at the relation. Please remember the relation. Yeah. Pranav, complexity theory is not there in our syllabus, Pranav. It was deleted, I think, 2016. Yeah. And from that point onwards, there was no question. This is a 2015 question. In the syllabus, this P and NP complexity related problems are deleted. There was no question from 2016. Remember that. But if you want to learn, you can always. Sometimes out of syllabus questions also possible. Why not? As per the syllabus I am talking about. Fine. Good evening, Shubhasri. Yeah, good evening, guys. And remember, guys, if any question that you see, any topic, if you see in previous year gate question, don't blindly believe it is in the syllabus. Syllabus is modified 3 to 4 times in the past, not 3 to more than that. Remember that. Follow the current syllabus and understand if you require. And please remember this point. Now look at the complement of every Turing decidable. Complement of every Turing decidable is Turing decidable. That's true. Decidable complement is decidable. We know that. Turing decidable means decidable language only. Turing is optional word. Right, that's true. That's true. And there exists some language which is in NP के class के अंदर, but not Turing decidable. There exists some language. Oh. Sorry, I'm sorry because of that's a mistake of mine. Just wait, guys. Just my mistake it is. Just my mistake it is. Sorry, guys. This is the all P problems. This is all NP problems. कुछ भी करता हूँ कभी कभी. These are all decidable languages, guys. Yeah. कितने बार पूछोगे प्रणव? Complexity theory is not in syllabus. Syllabus is tough. Why out of syllabus? क्या प्रणव? Not यार, किनको क्या बोले यार? दुनिया में कहाँ से आते हैं हम? Now there exists some language which is in NP but is not Turing decidable. Look at this. Every NP here, every P problem is decidable. Not only that, even NP problem also already decided because halting program exists. Every NP problem also has halting program today, guys. Every NP problem is also decidable because all the problems that we have studied in algorithms, polynomial problems, non-polynomial problems, non-deterministic I'm talking about, and all are decidable problems, guys. Yeah. So this statement, is there any NP which is outside the Turing decidable? No. This is the for statement, guys. Okay. And if L is NP, L is in NP, can I say Turing decidable? Yes. Because every NP, every P is Turing decidable. Everybody should come inside decidable. That is how we can talk about complexity classes. Now, 3 is true, 1 and 3 are true, guys. Everyone? Yeah. And one thing is, guys, already syllabus is too much. If you are going for the syllabus which is out of syllabus, can you understand? Syllabus is already too much. To complete that is also takes much time. Now, if you are worried about out of syllabus, I don't know when will you complete the syllabus. Everyone? Yes, that's why I'm talking about. If you have the time, please learn, because in ISRO, TF or BARC, they could ask this question, no doubt. But GATE, this is deleted already. I cannot discuss now. Basically, if you want anybody, I will tell you because of one doubt. All P problems means, P means, क्या question है यार? These are decided or solved by DTM in polynomial time. All NP problems means they are decided by NTM in polynomial time. If NTM is solving it, इसका मीनिंग दूसरा बनता. Solution means answer. Solution answer is verifiable. Answer I'm talking about. Answer is directly answer, verifiable by DTM in polynomial time. Right? पूरा problem solve नहीं होता DTM से, only answer. Yeah, this is how we can solve. NP problems are solved in polynomial time by NTM, exactly. Non-deterministic algorithm, correct. So that is how we can do every P problem is NP. Yeah, don't worry much about it. Chalo, next one. again P, okay, fine. It's a 2015. Last time it was there in the syllabus. L1 is polynomial time reducible to L2. Don't worry, I'm talking about those people who are preparing GATE. Please don't worry. Who are preparing for ISRO other exams, it is important. L3 is polynomial time reducible to L2. And L2, which in turn polynomial time reducible to L4. This is how the relation is given, guys. Now the question is, which of the following is or are true? Can I say if L4 belongs to P, then L2 has to be P, because P is reducible to L4. So if L4 is P, and L2 has to be P, because L4 looks like a project and L2 looks like a module. Whole project is solvable in polynomial time, module also. So this is true. And L1 belongs to P or L3 belongs to P. Can you guarantee L2 belongs to P? Either this one or this one. No guarantee that is. If the module is solvable in polynomial time, if module takes polynomial time, project need not be. So this is a false. Remember, and L1 belongs to P. Immediately delete the assumptions. L1 belongs to P if and only if L3 belongs to P. ऐसे कोई रिलेशन है दोनों का बीच में? कुछ रिलेशन नहीं गाइस. L2 बारे में बोल सकते. If L2 is a P, then L1, L3 both are P. But there is no relation between L3 and L1. No relation at all. No relation, guys. And if L4 belongs to P, no doubt L3 has to be P. Yes. So this is also true. Yeah. C is the true. Yeah. This is also, I'm talking about who are preparing for GATE. Don't worry about this question. Yeah, please try this question, guys. How many number of states in minimum DFA that accepts language, but that language computed by these two machines intersection? These two machines, we need to find out the languages and their intersection we need to find. Remember that. What is the language of this machine? First understand this one, then do the intersection, then tell me what is the language you get. And then for that language you need to find out what is the DFA. Don't apply any algorithm, guys, which will take even 10 to 15 minutes. Anyone? This machine, if you observe, what is the language? Ends with A. Ends with A, guys. If you observe this machine language, it ends with B. Ends with B. Over answer. It's a very easy now if you do that. If you do the intersection, you will get empty language. Then what could be the machine for that? That's all. And how many states required to represent intersection? Just one state. Just one state, guys. Answer is 1. Yes. Right? Yeah. Number of states in minimum DFA correspond to regular expression. What is this problem? Ends with 10. Ends with 10. How many states required? Want to design, you should have a practice. So answer is 3 states. Everyone, ends with 10. Ends with 10. Come on. Okay, next. Complement of L, guys. What is L? Different, and complement of L about L is your question. This is containing 0011 and L complement is the sigma star minus L. And how many states in DFA here? Number of states in minimum DFA. And again, you do not have a dead state to verify the containing property, right? You have just 5 states because minimum length is a 4, so definitely 5 states required. And L and L complement always takes the same number of states. By interchanging final non-final, you will get other language. If you know L, the same motion will also be used, can also be used for L complement by interchanging final and non-final. So answer is going to be 5. Everybody, the reason behind is the L and L complement always takes same number of states in minimum DFA. But DFA of L and DFA of L complement only differed by the finals and non-finals. But structure of the motion exactly same except interchanging final and non-finals. Yeah. Another problem in PDA. Push-down automata takes much time to understand. You have to give that much time to get all the properties. Now this time Z is not initial top of the stack. Look at that. Previous problem Z was the initial stack. Now we have a bottom symbol separately. This is the bottom symbol of the stack. Like Z naught. Read the question carefully. Here Z represent any. Z represent is any. Means that is something on the stack. It could be whole stack, it could be some stack. We don't care. Yet they didn't mention anything about Z because they don't want to. Come on, guys. First, understand the motion. Forget about the question, everything. But read the question once to understand. Okay, we have 3 states. We have 2 input symbols. We have 3 symbols on the stack. 0, 1, bottom. Means Z is not the stack symbol. But Z could be any sequence of the stack basically because you are representing. And delta motion, Q0 initial state, that is the bottom of the stack, and final state is Q2 already visible. Q is a set of states, everything is mentioned as it is. And which one of the following sequences must follow the string? Means he has given 101100, what should be there? Missing part. Missing part. So that the overall string belongs to L. Everyone, 101100 already part of the string, followed by what part can be in the language. Now first understand the problem. It takes much time because you might not have a practice on every transition. What is the first transition? What is this one? It is going to push 0, that's all. Push 0 without looking at the stack. Z means any. Push 0 blindly. Push 0 for every 0. And what is the second one? Push 1 for every 1. Clear? And what is this? Here skip 0 or 1 or don't read any symbol. Don't read any symbol. Epsilon means, but stack is not changed. Stack is still same because Z is Z only. So either you can read 0, don't do anything on the stack. Read 1, don't do anything on the stack. And don't read any input symbol, guys. It is your choice. Okay. Now what is this one? This one, pop 1. Can you see that? 0, comma 1 Z. Z means, sorry, 1 Z. And we are going to pop. This is going to be deleted. So pop 1 for 0. And what is this? Pop 0 for 1 means opposite symbols we are popping, guys. And this epsilon represent end of the input. How do you know end of input? How do you know end of the input? But from Q2 there is no transition, means this has to be end. Otherwise impossible to reach to the final state. And when end of the input happens, bottom of the stack or bottom symbol should come on the stack. That means stack should be empty indirectly. Okay, let's look at how to do that. See 1 0 1 1 0 0. Now let's try. On stack initially bottom symbol is there. Now we are reading 1. I can push. Right, 1. 0 push and 1 push and 1 push and 0. We are doing push up to here. Why should I do that? Because here the 5 length is given. 5 length only given. That means out of 6 length, 5 length I have to push. 1 length I have to skip. So the other 5 length can pop this 5 length so that I can reach the bottom. That is my idea. And what I do here, the last 0, I've read these 6 symbols, guys. I skip means I'm going to change the state. Now what should come here? What should come here to make this stack empty? Exactly opposite, because these symbols are doing opposite pop. So here 0 is there, that means here 1 should come. Here 1 is there, so here 0 should come. Here 1 is there, here 0 should come. Here 0 is there, 1 should come to pop that symbol. And here 0 should come. 1 0 0 1 0, if it comes, then you can make the stack empty. So the 1 will pop 0, 0 will pop 1, 0 will pop 1, 1 0, and when end of the input occurs, then definitely you will go to final state. So that is 1 0 0 1 0 is right answer. Come on, guys. And this is how our knowledge is differed, because when we look at the finite data, we easily understand because there was no stack along with it. You can easily understand because what is happening with the states, you can understand. Now, along with the transitions, you need to track your stack. That takes much time to understand for many people. Right? Anyhow, those people who have not understood, please try hard, because here there is one data structure, the stack we are maintaining. And if you don't track that, there is no use of looking at your machine. Yeah. The answer everybody knows. I am not here for answer, you know it. I want a reason why that answer is right. For any two languages, L1 and L2, such that L1 is context free and L2 is REL but not recursive, and which of the following is true? Necessarily true, both are same here. Complement of L1, is it recursive? CFL complement, L1 complement means CFL complement. Is it CSL? Yes, so it is recursive. True. Complement of L2, guys. L2 complement It means that REL but not recursive complement. You know that. This complement is definitely not REL. It is trying to say recursive, wrong. And complement of L1 context free is wrong. And complement, first L1 union L2. What is L1 union L2? Oh, sorry. Here it's not saying complement of L1 union L2. So you have to be careful. Complement of L1 union L2. So complement of L1 is already recursive. Union, this is REL but not recursive. That means recursive is also REL. One direction, one direction. This is also REL. So REL union REL, you can say that, not a problem. So 1 and 4 are true. 1 and 4 are true. Clear? Yeah. Fine. We want regular languages. We have seen very difficult regular languages than this, right? And wx w power r and wx belongs to this one, and length has to be indirectly, guys. This problem is same as wx w power r w comma x belongs to a comma b whole plus only, because he said whole star. He said whole star, but he said length of the w and x greater than 0 means minimum one length, guys. Minimum one length. Indirectly you are trying to say by combining these two you will get whole plus only. Everybody? And we know this is equal to ax a or bx b. It is regular expression when you substitute x with x and y with x with a plus b whole plus. So it is regular language, no doubt. And second one, not equal 10, guys. There is less than n or greater than n. There is a dependency always. So this is not regular. And this one is a star, b star, c star only. This is regular because I am showing regular expression to you. Yes, L1 and L3 are regular languages. Correct, Pratik, correct. Yeah, correct. Okay, we have completed 2015, guys. I hope you are learning some concepts, but you should also understand out of syllabus topics. Please avoid practicing. If you really need it, you can approach, you can ask the doubts. I'm trying to clear your doubts too, but be careful. So I'll meet you at 6 p.m. on Unacademy. In case if you want to learn graph theory concept from me, you can attend my free classes. And see you tomorrow at 4:30 with 2014 and 13 questions, guys. Okay, see you then. Take care. And in case if you want to follow me, please use this profile link and also follow. In case you need referral code, you can use DEVALIVE is my referral code. And we have Telegram channel for computer science. You can subscribe Unacademy GATE CS Telegram channel. And in case if you have any friends, you want to share our YouTube channels, and those channels are taken by top educators, India's top educators. So please share these free YouTube channels with your friends, and please like the session if you are enjoying, and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.